Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. And in this today's video, we are going to understand another properties of AGVs, so that it can help us get details of AGVs using flexscript and flexsim. So in the last videos, we have covered about, how to couple AGV with another AGV. We understood about attaching trailers and multiple stuffs. Till now, we have already covered, 14 properties of AGVs, okay? And in this video, we are going to understand 3 major and last AGV properties for AGV flex scripted, okay? So if I show you, I'll run the simulation model so that you can see the AGV task. So the red color AGV is our focus area because there is what, we are going to apply the scripts and test that. So what you see is that the moment he is going to unload, the part, the AGV stays at the unload location. Okay, I'll just zoom it out so you can see another way. So if you see, because this red color AGV has no part available here, so it waits here till you get a new part available here, and then the AGV is ready to go ahead. So in this case, if you want to redirect the AGV the moment it is going to complete task, okay, then this is what the script you need to use, and that is what we are going to understand in the today's video. Okay, so stay tuned till end of this video to understand that in detail. So talking about redirecting the AGVs, okay, so for example, your AGV unloads here and you need to redirect your AGV to your charging location, or redirect it to your another parking location or whatever that is, that you can do that, okay, by putting in the conditions. But we will see the simplest one, that whenever my AGV is unloading, that is AGV on unload trigger, we have applied these scripts in that. So I'll just disable or enable our first script so you can understand what this says. So this is how it has to be returned, okay? AGV, small AGV dot redirect. In the redirect, you need to have these 2 properties. One, you need to specify what is going to be your new destination, and the next thing is you need to specify that what it is going to be a mode of redirecting it. So current mode is redirect as final, and the next is redirect as and wait. We are going to have 4 modes in total, whereas 2 are majorly utilized, and we are going to check those out there, okay? So what's going to happen now? What do you think will happen? So I'll just reset this and I'll just run this, okay? So initially it's not going to get unloaded, right? The moment it is loading a part, then only it is going to unload the part. Now it has came here where it has unload the item, okay? Now what is going to happen is we have asked it to redirect to the control point 14, and that is going to be as final, okay? And then after that it is going to take its task. So let us continue this and run slowly and see what happens. So initially, if you have seen, the AGV will stop at this point, okay, right? But now if you see, the AGV starts to move ahead. Okay, the moment it unloads, it is going to move ahead to the control point we specified, okay? And this is that control point which we specified, and that is where the AGV goes and stops there. And the moment you're going to get a new part available, you will start getting that out there, okay? And it will be moving ahead for the new task. Similarly, again, the moment it is going to, unload, you see that happening again. So that is the beauty of the script. Okay, so basically what you can do is you can ask an AGV to redirect to a location you wanted to, so that it is clearing your unloading area, even though it is not going to have a task. So this is what we have seen. There is another mode where you are supposed to apply that, and that is redirect and wait. Okay, so I'll just apply this. In short, it's going to ask it to redirect there and wait for the next new task. So I'll just apply a debug here, and this is what you're going to get in here. So same, it's going to be through the same location in there where we specified, and that is where it is going to go and wait, and then it is going to pick up a next task. So this is how AGV.redirect syntax works. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. And what we are going to do is the assignment for this video would be that you are supposed to redirect it to a charging location based on the condition. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to put in a condition stating that if my charging is lesser than say 60%, then only on unload my AGV should go to the charging location, or else it should go straight. So create that in your model, try it out, and let me know in the comment section whether you were able to make that model. Okay, now let us talk about our second properties of this today's video, and that is basically understanding, like asking AGV to start its charging and stopping its charging. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now let's stop this redirection and all, and let us do let us first show how this works. I'll just show you. So the moment the AGV unloads, you can see that the battery levels, right? The battery levels and the amps, you can see it's 99.76. Okay, the moment next round it is, I'll just bring this here so we can directly see the value. So it's 99.61. Now it's 99.45. So what do you see? The trend is that your charging is going on reducing, right? Because we are not charging our AGV. That is the thing. We are coming to almost 98.47, 98.31, 98.14. Now it's 97.98. All right. So our AGV is getting discharged. So what are you going to do now? We are going to charge this AGV. Okay, let us charge this. So it's 97.82, 97.66. Okay, and we need to recharge this. Some double value has came, 97.66, 97.72. What has started now, guys? So the AGV's battery level have started increasing. Now, if you see, right, 97, 92, 97, 99, it's 98 now. So why? Because our charging is started. So we initiated a charging. Again and again initiating charging is no value, because first time, the moment you initiate or start charge, it's going to keep on charging. Okay, so you need to stop your AGV charging. That is when it is going to stop the charging. So now what I'm doing is I'm disabling our charging now, and I probably stops my charging. Okay, so again if you see, now my this has started dropping, right? So 97.64, 97 point, this will be again going down and down and down, because why? We stopped the AGV charging. So talking about this flex scripting and flexsim, it's very important to understand how the script is written. Okay, what are the syntaxes to be used? What are the connectors? What are the property, the variables and stuff like that? So if you see AGV start recharge, we have written in this way, and we are getting a value in double. When you stop AGV, you need to type in this way. Okay, so that you are stopping your recharging of your AGV. Okay. So this is our last property of flex scripting video, right, on AGVs, and this is the end of the AGV class scriptings. And in the next video, we'll probably bring up conveyor, syntaxes and conveyor methods and connectors and properties scripting using Flexsim code. Okay. So that is what we're going to bring in the next videos. Let me know in the comment section if you need anything additional, anything needs to be changed, anything needs to be added. I hope you are loving this video, and you can keep on, liking, subscribing, and, showing your love to Leansimcorp. So that's all for today, guys. Let us meet in another grand interesting video on your favorite Leansimcorp channel. So till then, keep watching, keep simulating, and keep learning. Thanks.